Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I am doing a review on the U-part wig. VV Hair sent me this wig to review for you guys. So I'm just showing you guys the construction and the cap construction and the unboxing. Also, most of you guys may not know, but I do have a mohawk, so this is going to be very interesting to review for you guys. So yeah, let's keep on watching. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a human hair wig for you guys to review. It was gifted to me by VV Baby. I don't know why it was so hard for me to say that. But anywho, it is a 2x4 U-part human hair wig. I believe it is a 9 or 10A grade Brazilian, 100% unprocessed human hair. This is a body wave and I have it in 20 inches. So this is how she is looking. It comes with clips, 2 clips to install it, and then it comes with straps. This is the wave pattern. So I would have had this video done already, but I had to relax my real hair, and I have a mohawk, so this is going to be fairly interesting. So yeah. But anywho, if you are new to my channel and you like what you see, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Again, oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground until you get lost.
I think I did my best with trying to make this work. I think I did an okay job. This looks, I'm gonna have to really take some time out and try to really get this to work. Or, I don't know, I'm just probably too bald-headed to make it work. But anywho, this is how it's looking. It blends in well with my hair. I didn't even flat iron my hair or anything, and it blends in well, so I do like that. I'm gonna do a 360. This is the front, this is the back. So I don't know, I am gonna, cause I don't know, I've been debating if I really want to grow my hair back, but I like my mohawk, so I don't know, I might just stick to my mohawk. So with the clips and whatnot, to me they're easy to install. Of course, if you had more hair than me and you braided your hair down, it would be even more secure, and I would have no type of concerns about it slipping or anything. You can always install more clips, but I do like how this is. The U-part wig does look more natural. To me, it looks more natural like this. I'm going to jump into the specs on this. So the hair texture is really nice. I like this body wave. It's really soft and the quality of it is nice. This is 20 inches. I'm having mild shedding, of course no tangling. This has a great longevity because it's a U-part wig, so it's going to last until how long you want to make it last. The cap to me is, I think it's medium cap size, and the density is 150. So that is all that I have to say on this wig. If you're interested in purchasing her, I will have links in the description box. So thank you again for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.